Alright, hello again YouTube, my name's Unknown, and today we are going to eat flaming hot Cheetos. I know, that doesn't sound really interesting, but I cannot stand hot things at all. And earlier I was eating some of these and I was like literally cherry red with like tears going down my cheek. I cannot stand anything spicy or hot or flaming, nothing. So anyways, got my bottle of water right here for after I finish the package. Not allowed to take a drink till after. So this is going to be interesting. So, if you haven't yet subscribed and leave a like for I am going to go through some pain right here for you guys. Whew. Oh, they smell spicy. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, they're hot. Fuck. Ow. Oh, fuck more. I hate spicy things. Nah. Oh. Are you through the tears yet? I hate this. I don't want to continue. There's so many. There's so many. I hate this. That one didn't seem too bad. So how's your guys' day been going? Leave a comment down below right now if you think I can make all the way through without taking a drink of water. Right now, right now. Right now. You do it? Okay. Oh. Earlier I couldn't eat an entire package of this without drinking something. I feel like I could breathe fire right now. Just like, imagine that, but with like flames coming out. Not even freaking. Why are there so many? Ow, my tongue. This is not enjoyable for me. I hope you guys are enjoying this. What do you mean? Suffer. Oh, I love this. I really need a fucking drink of water. Water. Oh. I will survive. I will survive. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Ooh. Getting hot in here, it's just me. Fingers are turning red. I might break the rules and say after a few minutes, no, I can't drink water. Oh, jeez, my phone shook. I mean, I'm not using my phone. I'm totally professional camera. I hope you guys like this. I'm almost done. Almost done. Only a few crumbs left. Alright, I'm gonna the rest of those crumbs. Look how red you guys smell my fingers. This is not good for my health. Oh, is my tongue red? It is. Is my face red? It is. So, I want to lick my fingers, but I don't. I'm just gonna casually wipe them on my pants. So, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me suffer through an entire thing of flaming hot Doritos, or not Doritos, flaming hot Cheetos. Leave a like down below for watching me suffer. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can see more fun things like this, or anything you want really. Ask me down in the comments below to do it, and I will 95% sure I will do it. So, I hope your guys' day was fun today, watching me suffer. Ooh, and I'll see you next time.